Imagine waking up to a soggy carpet, a damp spot on your lawn, or signs of a hidden water leak that could be causing extensive damage. You can prevent costly problems from water leaks by asking experienced professional plumbers to help. Water leaks can cause serious damage to your home, inside and out. Unfixed leaks can rot timber frames, attract termites, damage walls and insulation, ruin flooring, and even pose electrical hazards inside your home. Outside water leaks can lead to termite infestations, structural damage, damp lawns, and cause sky-high water bills. The solution is to hire experienced plumbers who use the right equipment to find and fix leaks quickly without causing additional damage. Unskilled plumbers can cause further problems while trying to find water leaks. An experienced plumber finds and fixes leaks without causing unnecessary problems. Don't wait for leaks to cause further costly damage.
I'm Robert Edwards from 6 Star Hot Water and Plumbing. We've been finding water leaks in Canberra since the early 1990s. Whenever we're called out to have a look for a water leak, we're often asked what kind of gear we're going to bring along. And that's a really good question because most of the time we need to bring a bit of everything. So because of the large number of plastic water pipes that are used in Canberra, we bring heaps of adapter fittings for the different sizes because we just don't know what we're going to find. If we're looking for a leak in a pool, we bring adapter kits like these so we can pump up pool pipes and look for leaks in that. We bring pressure gauges so we can look for pressure drops in water pipes. And sometimes when the water pressure is not enough, we bring bucket pumps where we can increase the pressure in the water pipes by 4 times their normal working pressures. Freeze kits. Sometimes we have to freeze the branch lines we're working on so we can see if they're leaking. We bring ground listening devices as well, so we can hear leaks under concrete slabs and under the ground. For plastic water pipes, we also have insertable line tracers. These things are so accurate we can actually tell where the very end of the pipe is. And when they don't work, we have these harder rods that we can push into the pipe and give them a rattle, and you're listening for rattling inside walls or at water tanks. We still have to carry our old shovels, of course, and ground spikes to look for wet patches in ground. We may even bring out little devices like these that we plug into irrigation systems that cause the solenoid valves to rattle. That way we can easily find the solenoid valves on irrigation systems and water services. For shower leaks, we have the good old-fashioned balloon and a bit of dye. You can plug up the drains and then see if it starts leaking out through walls. And we also have a lot of test plugs for plugging up pipes so you can fill them with water. Occasionally even a little 9-volt battery will help find a solenoid valve. We start getting into a bit more sophisticated system, then we have these transmitters where we can induce a signal into metal pipes and into our line tracers. And sometimes we'll use something like this when we're looking for plastic conduits with a metal cable in it. So then we have receivers that can receive signals from the transmitters and the line tracers. Then we get into our camera range. We use thermal cameras for hot water leaks, and these can also be used for electrical faults. We have small cameras that we can put inside water pipes that are a bit bigger than 25mm diameter, and we can look in there for fittings and leaks and bubbles and that sort of thing. We have probe cameras for looking in small holes in walls. These we'll put in through power points and other small access points. It saves making a lot of damage when looking for pipes. And then we get into our larger cameras for looking for leaks in stormwater systems and sewage systems. These can give us a precise depth and location. It makes it a lot easier and cheaper to find the leaks. We find the sonde on these by using the receiver over there. These cameras have a sonde on them that send the signal back to ground. And then of course we have our spray paint so we can mark things out. So you can see it takes a fair bit of gear to be able to do leak locating properly. If you have a water leak in Canberra and you want it found fast and efficiently, give us a call at 6 Star Hot Water and Plumbing.
If you live in the Canberra or Queanbeyan regions and need professional help with a water leak inside or outside your home, call 6 Star Hot Water and Plumbing today. Save time, money and stress by choosing the right professionals from the start. Phone us on 0448 844 911.